Alright, so I've always wanted to get into drones, but I'm not gonna lie, it feels kinda intimidating. Like, what if I crash it? What if it's hard to control? And what if I spend all that money and the footage just isn't even that good? Now, you might be thinking the same thing, but I've been looking at the DJI Avata 360 and this actually seems like one of the easiest drones to start with. First off, it's built for beginners. You've got obstacle avoidance in every direction, so it can detect things all around you, even in low light. Plus, it has built-in propeller guards, so if you do mess up, it's way more protected. So straight away, that fear of crashing drops a lot and allows you to fly in confidence. And the controls are actually really beginner friendly too. You can use a normal RC2 remote control, but there's also the goggles and a joystick, so you can pick whatever feels the most natural for you. With the goggles, you can literally see what the drone sees. It will feel like you're flying yourself, and if you've ever wondered what it's like to be a bird, then this is probably the closest thing to it. Quality-wise, it's top tier. It's got a 1-inch flagship imager, shoots at 8K 360 video at 60 frames per second, and captures 120 megapixel panoramic photos. So you're capturing everything around you, which means you don't have to worry about getting the perfect angle while flying. You just fly, and then choose your shots after. And honestly, that's probably the best for beginners. Normally with drones, you need to practice loads to get that smooth cinematic footage, but with this, you can literally fly once and create loads of different shots when you're editing. So even if you're new, your footage can still look really good. And for what it offers, it's actually pretty solid value as a first drone. There are starter bundles, plus things like replacement cover and after sales support. So if you do crash it, you're not going to be completely stuck. So yeah, if you've been thinking about getting your first drone but didn't want something complicated or risky, the DJI Avata 360 feels like a much more beginner friendly option. So for under $600, would you try it?